Leadership is action and not position. With that thought, I'm Agnishwari of Class 12C, standing before you as a candidate for the position of School Pupil Leader. Can you all close your eyes for a moment? You see darkness, right? That is the way the school looks when the student's voice is not here. I'm here to represent the voice of the student community. I'm here to listen to you. I'm reachable, I'm open minded, and I will always respond to you and support you whenever you need me. Today, many candidates can make improbable promises, but true leadership is not about improbable promises. It's about responsibility, service, and action. And I'm sure that I can give you that. The future of our school is not dependent on one leader. It's a collective of our students. And if you join hands with me, I'm sure we can make a change. So confidently vote for me. Confidently vote for a change. Not because I'm the best, but I can always do the best. Thank you. And finally, I want to say something. I'm not here to make promises. I'm here to get your works done. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Sinmadi from 12th E and I'm standing in the SPL election in the symbol of pixel. Pixel is actually a tiny part of a picture, but when many pixels come close together, they can make something meaningful and beautiful. Same like that, all our Amalians can unite together and if you elect me as an SPL, we can create a clear picture of a happy and enthusiastic school environment. As every pixel of a picture counts, every Amalian of this school needs to be heard and valued if I become an SPL. Getting straight into the point, what will I do if I become your SPL and why should you all vote for me? First thing, I will make every tours and fun trips affordable and cost effective so that you can relax yourself to your favorite destinations. And then I will help to organize celebration hours for every month so that you can share music, games and fun in your free hours and relax yourself. Next thing is that I'll make sure that your schedules are not going to feel strict anymore. If I become a SPL, and some students may be excellent in academics, some may be excellent in arts, sports or music. Whatever you are excellent with, we will let you shine in your side, not forcing yourself on academic pressure. I'll make this sure and then I'll be ready to make a no bag day at least once in 2 months so that we'll reduce the burden on our back. And let's have a no homework day, especially after the exams, so that you feel happy and you don't get the stress after writing exams. I'll try to make playing songs again, BGMs of songs in the lunch breaks. We used to do it before, right? So if you cooperate, we can again play BGMs of songs in the lunch break. And also if you wish to, we can play student interested web series in the lunch break so that you can be happy and chilling out in the lunch breaks. Next thing is that we can, first thing I want to make clear is that suggestion box are going to be valued and given more importance. As like that suggestion box is going to be checked every month, not like that. It will be checked every week. Whatever minor inconveniences if you have also, you can tell in the suggestion box. Or if you feel like suggestion box is not more valued, you can easily approach me. If I become your SPL, I'll be easily approachable and you can tell all your wishes and everything will be conveyed to the school authority without any hiding. And I'll try organizing a food festival in our school. And every day I'll make feeling special whatever occasions it is, whatever celebrations it is, we will celebrate. Not any festival left out with holidays and all the cultural events. We'll make organizing it. And the final thing I want to say is that all these promises are not going to be just promises. I'll work hard to make these promises into practical ideas. Okay. Now, and coming to the conclusion, give me your trust, guys. Elect me as your SPL. Select me as your voice, and we will grow together. We will enjoy together and leave the batch with a lot of memories and memorable moments. Thank you, and have a nice day.
A wonderful afternoon to the respected principal, dear teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Hasbi coming to you from class 12C. So, whenever we think about school, the first thing that comes to our mind would be textbooks, exams, and strict discipline. But to me, school is something much bigger. It is a memory house. We spent 14 years of our lives here, growing together, laughing together, and learning who we are. So, if you elect me as your school pupil leader, my ultimate goal isn't just to enforce rules, but it is make your time here unforgettable. Because I believe that when students actually look forward to come to school, everything falls into place. When you are genuinely happy to walk through those gates, you automatically begin to love your subjects, respect your teachers, and want to improve yourselves. Then the cooperation between the student body and the management will flow smoothly and automatically because we will be working as a team. So, as your SPL, I promise to strike the perfect balance. I will champion your memories and I will ensure that all of your suggestions and creative ideas are heard. To ensure all of this vision, I present a realistic and balanced manifesto built on action. Firstly, we will elevate our celebrations. I will organize a memorable Teachers' Day for all the teachers and Children's Day for all the students of our school. And it is to honor the dedication of our faculty members and to celebrate the spirits of our students. And the celebration time for the higher secondary students will also be increased. And secondly, I will promise a grand and a beautiful farewell for our 12th standard students because leaving a 14-year journey, it is a momentful milestone and we deserve a spectacular send-off to celebrate our time here. Thirdly, I will propose an affordable tour for all of the students and to ensure that none of them are left behind. Because tour memories are one of the most precious memories of our school life. Yet, some of our friends skip going to tour just because of the financial burden. So, I wish to change that. And I want to ensure that each and every single student get a good opportunity to travel, to laugh, and to enjoy their time with their friends without having their families worry about the cost. Then, fourthly, we will be playing relaxing instrumental music during lunch breaks on selective days. And it will help all the students to de-stress their mind, calm the atmosphere of the campus, and also give a mental break before our afternoon classes. Then, fifthly, I will request the respected principal to grant a holiday on all second Saturdays because our academic schedule is intense. So, it will help the students to recharge themselves and return to their classes on Monday with full energy, full focus, and high academic potential. Then, to unite all this vision, I chose the symbol infinity because infinity represents endless possibilities and leaving a legacy which never fades. And these are two distinct loops which come together to make an unbreakable bond. So the infinity is my promise to you guys to unlock your limitless potential and ensure that the memories we make in this memory house this year will stay with us forever. And I want to leave a legacy. I don't want to be a leader who was just forgotten, but I want everyone to remember me as a wonderful leader who looked out for each and every single one of them and helped to make this year the best year. So, trust me with this responsibility, and I promise that I won't be a leader who just sits at distance, but I will be a friendly leader who walks right beside you. And if you ever feel overwhelming, or if you want to share your ideas, or you just want somebody to listen, my doors, my heart, and my ears are open for each and every single one of you guys. And let's make this year memorable together. Choose infinity and vote for me. And let's live in the moment. And thank you so much for your time and guidance.
Hello everyone, this is Lingesh. Here I am standing as a school people election candidate. Here we see that leadership is a transformative power which roots the cause of service, inclusiveness and hard work to the school. School is not only the place to study, getting marks and getting graduated and going to colleges. School is the place where we enrich our minds with memories, full of memories that covers our mind, so that in the future we can think of these cute memories and be happy. So nowadays we see that in our school many exams are being conducted, students are getting stressful. Only once a tour is being conducted, so that mainly for 12th standard students they are not having any valuable time with students. So I am planned to launch a valedictory function, a farewell for the 12th standard students, not only for them, for also all the classes from 7 to 12, so that after the exams they can come to the valedictory function fully of free cost, because in tours they get the money from students. Some students are not affordable for that. So we can introduce a farewell or valedictory function for those students after the exam, so that they can stress freely, they can come to the program and be happy with their friends, which will be a good memory for them. And now, if you consider the skills of the students, from 7 to 12 standard students, this is a growing period where we develop skills in ourselves. We see that many skills like drawing, designing, writing, speaking, everything are buried inside students but not coming outside. I have a reason that if you consider drawing in a class, only 2 to 3 students are well in drawing. So they are not exposing them because it is not being asked in the class. But if you consider the whole school, more than hundreds and 200 students of people are very interested in drawings or speaking or everything. So I have planned to connect all these students by a community, so that all can connect to themselves, talk among them, and I will approach them to standing in competition, so that they can expose their ideas and also the creativity there. And if you consider another thing, that students are getting more stressful of exams nowadays from 10th to 12th standard, all the time from morning to evening revisions are there, so that the students are only thinking of the revisions, they are not concentrating in anything, and also they're getting very stressed. Teachers also are very getting stressed. So we see here, because from morning no free time is there for the teachers to interact with the students. They only say the students study, study, study. So what I am planned is, in midst of the revisions hours, we can use 10 to 15 minutes of time in every 3 hours of time, so that the teacher can talk to the students freely out of the topics of studies, marks, so that the students are also getting free and the teachers also feel free, so that they talk to the students, they talk about their future, they can help them grow in like career choosing instead of only depending on the studies. Okay, we see that the suggestions are also getting from the students, but why not teachers? Teachers are also working hard in the school, but their concern is not asked by the school management through suggestions. So I have planned to use a digital suggestion app in Amal Vision app, so that everyone can afford, all the students and also the teachers can provide their suggestions in this app, so that I myself and the school authority can go through that and choose the best one, so that they can implement in the school for the betterment of the school. And in the future also it will be very, very helpful, as these suggestions are not to be buried only inside them. They have to reach out to the authority, but it's not being, they are afraid of the management. So I'm here to connect you students and teachers to the management, so that your suggestions, all suggestions will be seen and verified, and after that we'll take these suggestions to the school authority to implement them in the best way. Okay, all friends, be together to achieve, stay together to succeed, and always work together to be the best of yourself in the future, so that I'm here to help you all to connect to the authority. Share your ideas, share your problems, so that we can solve all these problems in the best way we can. And I'm saying that we cannot do the 100% possible things what all we can. We can do the utmost of our level. So something is better than nothing, so that we can approach the authority in the best way, so that they can help us in solving our problems so that we can have a best school life and enjoy our school life days. Thank you.
A very good afternoon to all my dear fellow mates. I am Nathan from class 12C here as a candidate in this SPL election. My symbol is unity. The reason why I have taken this symbol is it represents the strength of togetherness. For example, when you're being single and going to approach something, it's really difficult. But when you go in groups, the voice of the people is with you. You can break and achieve anything in your life. And even our school's motive is togetherness. In the school anthem, you all might have noticed that the importance of togetherness, how the family of Amlorpom is following the path of togetherness, the united state, is all explained there. So taking all this in consideration, I have decided unity as my symbol. For that, first of all, I have planned to meet you all, that is all my fellow mates, by coming to each and every class, that is from 7 to 12, and to get all your queries and problems. Anything you have, it might be related to the reduction of classes, reduction of coaching classes, or reduction of the school timings, or anything in the development of the school, anything you need as relaxation, or anything you have as a query, I'll come to your class and get it into account and take it to the notice of the principal, sir. And I'll try to sort it out. And it's well and good if you have the solution for it. If not, we'll discuss with the school management and try to sort it out. So this will be my first priority. Second is, I have a focus on 11th standard students. As they are free from public examination, I have decided to give them a number of good PT classes. Physical education is really important. It's stopped at 9th standard, and in 10, 11 and 12 there's no PT in our school. But 11th standard students are free this time. They don't have public examination. So I'll try to work on it for PT classes. I'll talk to the school management about that. Coming to 7th, 8th and 9th standard classes. You all have PT classes and co-curricular classes. But what I analyze is that you have classes like moral science, GK, spoken English and library. Spoken English is kind of okay, but it can be still more improved to communications improving classes. Nowadays, it's common for everything you go in, you need to go through an interview. For that, communication skill is really important. For that, just spoken English class is not enough. We need to take some more actions. Like we 12th standard classes are having some HOTS classes for which questions are being prepared from the school management. Something like that. Some topics for conversations can be prepared by schools and given to the students, and they can discuss over it. Next, coming to moral science, it's become quite old now. See now, during lunch, after lunch, we are having a moral class by Miss Sujata ma'am on Tuesdays and Thursday. I think that's enough. In that moral science class, which is regularly given to us, in that we can include some science classes like AI learning and tech related one, and some maths classes like mental maths, which you would really enjoy. So these are things I want to include regarding moral science. And you are all having library classes, right? Along with that, I would like to introduce computer science. That is, you can go to the lab and learn the basics. 11th and 12th, many are taking computer science group, but they don't even have the knowledge how to operate it or open it. For that, giving them a basic course, the knowledge regarding computer would be better. And I have decided if I become the SPL, I will surely introduce it to 7th, 8th and 9th classes. Here next is an important topic. I have planned to bring some inspections in the classes. You can see that very many classes are following the scoreboard in really sincere manner, but in few classes it's not going properly. Like in spoken English column especially, very many false statements are seen. It's been seen nil, but even the students, though the students are talking in Tamil, it is given as nil. So what I have planned is giving a surprise visit to the classes. It may be myself or anyone else, any other leader from higher classes. He will go to the class wherever is given nil, and he will silently check to that, and he will prove that whether it is really true that all are speaking in English and its column is given true, or it is a false statement. And based on that, any penalty might be given by reduction of some 10 or 20 marks, and based on that. So this is regarding the scoreboard. Next is an important thing, I guess. You students might really feel hunger during the morning break and evening break. And I have witnessed it and heard it from very many students that they feel really hunger. Sometimes students miss their breakfast. So what can they do if they miss their breakfast? They are not bold enough to tell that they didn't have and get it from the school. So having a snacks break during the morning break session, it will be really good. So if I be elected as the SPL, I would like to talk to principal regarding the snacks break. A 15 minutes time can be allotted both in the morning and evening as a snacks break for the students, which would be really mind relaxing as well as stomach full for them. Last but not the least, I think this is the point you have all been waiting for. Now I'm coming to the topic tour. If I be elected as the SPL, I will surely try to bring a tour for 3 days along with stay for especially 11th and 12th standard students. And for 7th, 8th and 9th, there will be a 1-day tour, and I'll come to each and every class and take your opinions, where you want to go and what's your wish regarding the tour. And I'll take it to the notice of the principal sir or the management, and you will be going to a desired place. So with this, I end up my agenda, and I'll do my best in making all my promises true, and hope you're glad with my agenda. And I promise that I will really make you happy for voting me if you did that. Thank you.
Hello, my dear fellow mates. I am Kaushik V of 12C, here to stand for the school people leader election. So, my manifesto comprises of some important things that should be concentrated in this real world. So, it is support, coordination, skills and innovation. So I will be introducing something that is really important to you, which is skills. I will be introducing classes on robotics, design thinking, electronics and some other skills that will be developing you, and you will be shaped for the future. And then I will be changing some modifications in the morning announcements, where the students used to read the morning news. With it, we will be adding career snippets where the new jobs which is introduced will be telecasted in the morning career snippets. As well, I will be introducing some random speeches on any topics that will be done by any students of the class, which is decided by the concerned teacher of the class. So the topic may be on anything. It may be a comic thing or a realistic science fiction or anything that you like. It is purely based on your fluency. So that will be helping you in shaping your communication skills. As well, you will be getting rid of the fear of stage as well as fear of judging. So then I will be introducing a new concept of OOBT, where it stands for out of the box thinking. So in this out of the box thinking, the concerned teacher, for example, of physics, chemistry or science for lower classes, will be giving a topic or a problem in which you have to do a problem brainstorming and form a solution. Through this you can learn with fun, and you can go through the old topics that is discussed a week later or something like that. So through this you can improve your critical thinking skills. And I am going to introduce an smart student app where you can give your suggestions directly, no need of paper suggestions. So through this we can reduce the paper waste. As well, you can contact directly to me, where I will be listing out the important suggestions and will be reporting to the school management, and the necessary actions will be taken to those suggestions. Also, you can give complaints for the repair of fans, lights and something like that. You can give your idea that can be implemented for the development of your classes, and that ideas can be useful for the development of our school. Through this we can make a paper free premises, as well a student coordinated, a fully functional club in which everything will be determined by the students. For this I will be taking actions as soon as I am elected as an SPL. Also I will be proposing for the educational tours, industrial visits and interactions with scientists and some of the entrepreneurs for the students of the lower classes as well the higher classes whenever time permits. The advantageous thing in this is I will not be disturbing the schedules which is scheduled by the school. I will be utilizing the given time to the best. You will be given 5 minutes or 2 minutes time by the English teachers to speak in front of your class, and the intra-school competition will be organized for the school students. From that, the best speaker will be recognized and will be announced in the mic in the morning. so that you all can get chances and you all can express yourself, your thoughts, your opinions. Just it's you. And then I'll be the person who will be conveying everything as a part of you. So I will be with you, I am for you, I am for your future. And my symbol is Nexus. In the logo, you can see a sharp, clear crystal with cutting edges, which means a sharp thing for the school management, well structured. But for the students, it is a clear networking where you can see some lines that join to make that nexus. So, which means every student efforts make matters there. So, you all will be involving with me. We all can build a perfect school environment. Vote for me, make a better decision. Thank you.